Andre Kelly. I am a commercial lines account manager with Diversified Insurance for 8 years, in the insurance industry for close to 20 years. One of the things I love most about insurance is knowing that you're helping people sustain their livelihoods. You know, giving peace of mind to a client, letting them know they can be made whole again, because you've advised them how to best protect themselves and how to protect their business is really an awesome feeling. One of the things I love most about insurance is the networking with peers you get to do across the country. Insurance is a different language. It really is exciting when you hear someone, you know, speak that same language or is able to speak that language. I believe that insurance is a different language. So knowing that language and understanding it and being able to interpret that for someone else, it really is an awesome feeling. So that's why I love insurance.
Hi, my name is Diane Sane. I am a vice president here at Diversified Insurance, and I got into the insurance business really by my family. My family owned a captive agency when I was growing up, so I was exposed to the insurance business. I went into banking initially, but with the turmoil in that industry, I decided to go back to insurance. So I've worked for a captive agent, I've worked for the company side, and now I've been at Diversified for 25 years. What I like about this industry is the ability to help people with what is very often a complicated contract. It's something that everybody has to have, so there's really, you can't get away from it. And they really appreciate having someone who takes the time to understand what they need and then address those needs with appropriate coverage.
Hi, I'm Jen McClure. I'm a commercial account manager, and I've been here for 4 years. What I like about the insurance industry is that it's always changing and no day is exactly the same. There are new products to learn and each client has their own unique exposures. Also, education is important to me, so I like being able to take continuing education classes for my license and designations, as well as to grow in my knowledge of new industry products. I like serving others, so being able to assist clients with their day-to-day needs is fulfilling for me. I like connecting with them. Most of the time it's through email, but I definitely enjoy face-to-face meetings and phone calls. It allows you to connect on a higher level with your clients. I actually started out as a receptionist 17 years ago, and I've made this my career, one I enjoy.
I'm Steven Licata. I've been working at Diversified Insurance for 3.5 years. I started off as an intern and now I've worked my way to being a loss control specialist. One thing that I do like about the insurance industry is the constant networking and meeting of new people, and no day is ever the same.
Hello, I'm Lori Waddell, and I've been in insurance since 2008. What I love about insurance is that we get to make relationships with carriers and our customers, and they grow for many years. What I also love is that we help protect the things that mean the most to them, all their valuables and their houses, cars, whatever they work really hard for. What I also love is that we end up helping the community and helping those around us. And pretty much insurance is a really stable industry, so it's definitely going to always have a job available.
Hi, I'm Alex McGovern. I'm a producer at Diversified Insurance Industries. I've been a producer here at Diversified for a little over 6 months. I started off in the insurance industry when I was in college. I interned at an insurance company and decided that I wanted to pursue a career in the insurance industry upon graduating. I was most interested in the insurance industry due to the high employment rate for recent graduates, as well as I wanted a job that was relationship oriented.
Hi, Brianna here. I've been with Diversified for about 2.5 years and I am the HR assistant here, and I'm going to help you all land a job in insurance. So some of the key characteristics that a lot of people are going to be looking for is enthusiasm, because you're going to have to want to be here. Second is optimism, because there's going to be a lot to learn and there's going to need to be some willingness to learn it all. Thirdly, you're going to have some patience because we all want to grow within a company, but it's not going to happen in a day, and neither is learning the industry. There's a ton of things to learn in the industry. There's a ton of designations that you could possibly get, a ton of coverage things to know, and a lot to learn. So another characteristic that you're going to want to have is devotion, because this is going to be a career, not a job. And lastly, you're going to want to have initiative, because we're going to be able to set you up with the tools that you need to do your job, but you're going to have to want to be willing to do the job. And a couple other things to keep in mind when you're interviewing is to know about the company. You should always go in knowing a few things about the company, whether it's what they do, what kind of appetite that they have, anything helps. Also, don't be afraid to ask questions, whether it's benefits related, development related, anything. Always come in with some sort of question. And lastly, don't forget to be yourself, because it's always super important that it is a fit for both you and as well as for the company. Thank you for watching.